Yamaha Motoroid 2. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 is a revolutionary concept motorcycle that redefines human-machine interaction. It's not just a bike, it feels more like a companion. Designed with advanced robotics, the Motoroid 2 can recognize its owner and respond to voice commands or movements, much like a pet. Yamaha has grand ambitions for this futuristic motorcycle. It offers a unique, interactive experience through a responsive exterior surface, creating two-way communication between rider and machine. The Motoroid 2 also introduces three distinct riding postures. There's the traditional, legacy, style, the jock style with a special knee hold, and the centaur style, which allows the rider to stand, leaving the upper body free for a one-of-a-kind riding sensation. This concept motorcycle pushes the boundaries of what's possible, offering an experience like no other. Curtiss Motorcycles. Curtiss Motorcycles, formerly known as Confederate Motors, is redefining luxury with its avant-garde electric motorcycles. Leading the way is the Curtiss 1, a sleek cruiser that's both a high-performance machine and a work of art. While the Curtiss 1 has the potential to deliver an astonishing 2,117 horsepower, the current model is tuned to provide a refined 120 horsepower. Its futuristic design centers around a large, centrally mounted battery that acts as both the core and frame. This gives the motorcycle a bold and striking silhouette. Built with precision and passion, the Curtiss 1 offers more than just a ride. It's a statement of craftsmanship and innovation. This exclusive model is priced at $115,000, but Curtiss plans to release a more accessible version in the future, priced at $78,000. With cutting-edge technology and impeccable design, the Curtiss 1 represents the future of motorcycling. It blends performance with elegance, creating a truly unique two-wheeled experience. Cyrusher Thunders. The Cyrusher Thunders is an electric surfboard designed for speed and excitement. It allows you to glide across the water like never before, reaching speeds of up to 70 km per hour. At the heart of the board is a powerful 10 kilowatts motor and a 72-volt, 52Ah battery, delivering both power and long-lasting performance. The board itself is 1,680 mm long, 580 mm wide, and 160 mm high. Despite the battery weighing 21 kilograms, the board remains lightweight at just 18 kilograms. This makes the Cyrusher Thunders both fast and easy to maneuver. Built for performance and comfort, it comes with adjustable foot bindings to ensure a secure and personalized fit for every rider. With a maximum load capacity of 120 kilograms, it offers a stable and enjoyable ride, no matter your skill level. The board is also equipped with a high-strength plastic and nylon racing pump, making setup quick and easy. Its jet pump direct drive propulsion system provides smooth acceleration and precise control, turning every ride into an exciting adventure. Giant Quadcopter Transport Concept. The Giant Quadcopter Transport Concept by Dahir Insad is an ambitious and futuristic transportation solution. Designed by Russian engineer and inventor Dahir Kov, this innovative drone is built for heavy lifting and transporting large loads across different terrains. Crafted using lightweight, recyclable materials, the quadcopter is both strong and environmentally friendly. It features 4 powerful electric motors and a 50-volt battery pack, allowing it to efficiently lift and carry heavy cargo. This concept demonstrates the potential for large-scale sustainable transport solutions. It combines strength, efficiency, and environmental consciousness into one design. With impressive lifting capabilities and an eco-friendly construction, the Giant Quadcopter Transport concept represents a bold step toward the future of logistics and transportation. Frontier Ula. The Frontier Ula is a revolutionary blend of a cargo bike and a mini electric vehicle. This 3D printed prototype focuses on sustainability, offering both pedal power and electric assistance, making it ideal for eco-friendly urban mobility. One standout feature is its ability to use bike lanes, and you don't need a driver's license to ride it. Built in collaboration with 3D printing leader Stratos, the Ula is impressively lightweight, weighing just 70 kilograms. Despite its compact size, it packs a punch. The chainless electric drivetrain can reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour. On a single charge, it offers a range of 60 to 70 kilometers, perfect for daily commuting. For those who enjoy staying active, the Ula includes pedals, allowing riders to easily switch between motorized and manual modes. It's a smart, versatile solution for modern urban transportation. Geely Home Truck. Fera Auto, a commercial vehicle division of Geely, is gearing up to manufacture and deliver the Geely Home Truck in 2024. This electric semi-truck is more than just a means of transport, it's a home on wheels. Designed to provide drivers with all the comforts of a mobile home, it includes a shower, a single bed, a fridge, a tea maker, a kitchen, and even a small washing machine. The home truck will offer several engine options, such as methanol hybrid and range extender models, focusing on efficiency and eco-friendly power. It prioritizes safety for both drivers and pedestrians, while ensuring top-tier performance with its environmentally friendly powertrains. With features like over-the-air software updates, the Geely Home Truck is set to revolutionize commercial transportation. Combining comfort, cutting-edge technology, and sustainability, this vehicle marks a significant step toward the future of transport. Terrafugia TFX. The Terrafugia TFX is an ambitious hybrid electric flying car designed to change the way we travel. It's set to revolutionize personal transportation, offering the freedom to both drive and fly. This futuristic vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers, making it perfect for families or small groups. It boasts an impressive cruise speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 500 miles, allowing you to travel long distances quickly. One of its most innovative features is its VTOL capability, which stands for vertical takeoff and landing. This means the TFX can take off and land vertically, needing just a 100-foot space to do so. No runway required. The TFX is powered by a combination of 2 propellers and electric motors. These are backed by a gasoline combustion engine, giving it versatility for both flying and driving. Whether you're in the air or on the road, it can handle both with ease. Another great feature is its compact design. The TFX is built to fit into a standard garage, making it as practical as a regular car when you're not flying. And what's more, flying the TFX will require much less training than a conventional pilot's license. This makes it accessible to more people, opening up the skies for everyday travel. The Terrafugia TFX is a true game-changer, blending the best of driving and flying into one innovative machine. Giraffa Nap. The Giraffa Nap is an innovative napping box designed to let people sleep comfortably while standing. Created by Kyoku Plywood Corporation, it offers padded head, buttocks, shin, and foot supports, allowing for a restful nap without compromising posture. The POD's interior creates a peaceful environment with adjustable lighting, air quality, and soundproofing. It's available in 2 color schemes, Forest and Spacia. The Forest model has a cozy, sauna-like feel, while the Spacia model offers a more futuristic space shuttle vibe. Perfect for workplaces, cafes, and even airports, both models feature height-adjustable arm pads and a washable seat for added comfort. Starting January 23, 2024, interested buyers can place a reservation for the Giraffa Nap on the company's website. Tazari Zero Max Cubo. The Tazari Zero Max Cubo is the eco-friendly electric vehicle designed for urban professionals and businesses. It's perfect for city deliveries, industrial logistics, and green space maintenance. Let's explore how this compact electric workhorse can revolutionize sustainable urban operations. The Zero Max Cubo offers 3 different variants to suit your specific needs. You can choose between the van, the pickup, or the naked version, making it adaptable for diverse professional requirements. Whether you're transporting goods, tools, or equipment, there's a variant ready to meet your demands. At the heart of the Zero Max Cubo is an 11.5 kilowatt motor paired with a durable lithium LFP battery. This battery is designed to last, supporting up to 3,000 charging cycles, so you can rely on it for the long haul. And with a range of up to 312 kilometers on a single charge, it ensures you stay on the road longer without needing constant recharging. The vehicle comes with 2 driving modes, allowing you to optimize your driving experience depending on your load or energy-saving needs. Plus, Its high load capacity makes it an efficient choice for carrying heavy cargo while maintaining smooth performance. Horton HX2. The Horton HX2 is a cutting-edge flying wing aircraft designed by Horton Aircraft. Its standout feature is its unique design, which eliminates the traditional tail and fuselage, resulting in improved aerodynamic efficiency. This streamlined shape reduces drag and enhances flight performance. Constructed from lightweight yet strong materials, the HX2 is built for high performance and long-range capabilities. One of its primary goals is to lower fuel consumption, reducing its environmental impact, making it a more sustainable choice in aviation. The aircraft comes equipped with advanced avionics and control systems to ensure smooth and stable flight. Its user-friendly operation makes it ideal not only for personal use but also for specialized missions like surveillance and research. The Horton HX2 demonstrates how innovative aerodynamics and modern materials can redefine aircraft design. Whether for private aviation or scientific exploration, this flying wing offers a glimpse into the future of efficient and high-performing flight. Stratos Fera Aquatica. The Stratos Fera Aquatica is a stunning concept vehicle designed to travel across water, land, and even air. Created by Pier Paolo Larini, this futuristic pod combines boat-like features with the ability to float and submerge underwater. Its sleek, spherical design isn't just for looks. It's carefully engineered for smooth movement and stability on water. The vehicle uses an electric propulsion system, powered by solar batteries, making it both efficient and eco-friendly. Inside, the Stratos Fera Aquatica offers luxurious seating for two, providing comfort with style. One of its key features is its ability to transition between water and land, making it a versatile choice for adventurous travelers. Though still a concept, its estimated price is around $250,000, reflecting its cutting-edge design and advanced technology. The Stratos Fera Aquatica blurs the lines between land, sea, and air, offering a truly extraordinary travel experience. Shadow 6 Typhoon. The Shadow 6 Typhoon is an aquatic beast built for those who crave extreme performance on the water. This high-powered watercraft is driven by two Yamaha GP1 1800cc Ski HR engines, which together generate an impressive 500 horsepower. With that power, the Typhoon can reach speeds of over 80 miles per hour, cutting through waves like nothing else. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium and carbon fiber, this watercraft offers the perfect blend of strength and lightweight design. Despite its durability, it weighs just 2,365 pounds, making it both powerful and agile on the water. At 130 inches long, the Typhoon is built for speed and performance, but it doesn't sacrifice luxury. Step inside, and you'll find race-style seats, a carbon fiber steering wheel, and wireless Bluetooth connectivity, blending performance with modern convenience. The 37-gallon fuel tank allows for longer rides, ensuring your adventure won't be cut short. Its sleek, rugged design makes the Typhoon ready to take on even the most challenging water conditions. For those who seek both power and precision, the Shadow 6 Typhoon offers an unparalleled experience. Vanderhall Venice. The Vanderhall Venice is a unique combination of classic design and modern engineering. This three-wheeled autocycle gives you the feel of an open-road adventure, much like the roadsters from the past. Its lightweight body and powerful 1.5-liter turbo engine deliver 194 horsepower, making it perfect for a fun and active drive. According to Vanderhall, the base price for the 2023 model starts at $29,950. The Venice comes in sleek colors like Gone Gray and Royal Blue for the exterior. Inside, you'll find a comfortable tan Vex interior. The vehicle also offers some nice luxuries. Heated seats, Bluetooth audio, and cruise control come standard. It rides on polished 18-inch wheels, adding to its stylish look. For those wanting even more, there are GT and GTS trim levels. These higher trims add extra luxury and performance, but can raise the price up to $39,950. The Vanderhall Venice is an exciting blend of retro charm and modern features, offering a unique driving experience. Yamaha Grizzly 700. The Yamaha Grizzly 700 is the ultimate ATV for tackling tough trails and outdoor adventures. Built for power and durability, it comes equipped with a 686cc engine, providing smooth and responsive performance across all terrains. Whether you're climbing rocky hills or cruising through muddy paths, the Grizzly 700 ensures a comfortable ride. It features electric power steering and independent suspension, offering better control and stability. This ATV can reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour, making it ideal for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Starting at around $10,299, the Grizzly 700 combines strength and reliability at a great value. With an impressive towing capacity of 1,322 pounds, it's ready for any task, whether you're hauling equipment or packing up for a camping trip. Rugged, reliable, and built for adventure, the Yamaha Grizzly 700 is prepared to conquer any challenge you throw its way. E-foil blowfish. The e-foil blowfish takes your e-foiling adventures to the next level. With a 52-liter volume and a weight capacity of 135 kilograms, it combines the buoyancy of an inflatable SUP with the utility of a dinghy, creating a unique watercraft experience. Designed for both beginners and experienced riders, the blowfish offers increased stability and buoyancy, making it easier to learn how to e-foil. It also features built-in attachment loops, allowing you to customize it by carrying or securing gear. The included zippered mesh bag keeps your essentials safe and dry. With 5 built-in handles and inflatable rails, the blowfish provides extra support and security for smooth rides and easy boarding. It's portable, easy to inflate, and can be neatly packed away in a premium backpack, making it perfect for traveling. Transform your e-foil with the blowfish and unlock endless, unforgettable adventures on the water.